Namaste everyone, myself is Ishwini and welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. So in this is a series of a video lessons, basically video classes, where we'll be learning about the Bhagavad Gita basically. I don't go much into the deeper story of a Bhagavad Gita, what is behind that. I'll just give a glimpse. So you most of you know the story behind the Bhagavad Gita, and there are also multiple wonderful beautiful resources that are available actually. So I request you to go through those resources before starting with the Bhagavad Gita. Learn a little bit about the Mahabharata, the characters or the relations that comes in the Mahabharata will help you out in learning Bhagavad Gita basically. I'll give it just a small glimpse. So it's a big fight war that happened between the Kauravas and the Pandavas in the Kurukshetra over a period of so many days, where Krishna was the one who was chariot rider, Sarathi for Arjuna, who helped Arjuna to understand what exactly is happening around him when Arjuna was so confused and he refused to fight against the Kauravas. The Kauravas actually the one who are the Adharma followers, the one who had done a wrong thing. So through this Pandava, Krishna wanted to approve the dharma. Dharma is the righteous thing, the right things, right? So this is the basic story about the Bhagavad Gita. So why the Bhagavad Gita is being taught? We know this one. And we all know that it's a conversation between Sri Krishna Bhagavanta, Bhagavan Sri Krishna and Arjuna. Arjuna is one of the Pandava. So here we have 18 chapters in Bhagavad Gita. So before starting with the chapters, we have a introduction kind of a part. Just like we have in Sahasranama, if you have understood the Sahasranama, if you know the Sahasranama, we have a Purva Pitika, like a Purvonyasa, then we have a Dhyanam, then we have a Sahasranama, then we have a Palashruti. So similarly, so before starting with the Bhagavad Gita, so we have a Guru Vandana. We have a few stotrams basically. So we'll say that shlokas, we learn that shlokas, we learn the dhyanam in the Bhagavad Gita. Then we'll step into the chapters, every chapter slowly. So here I'll try to minimalize the explanation as much as possible, as simple as possible. So I'll try my best. So if you find any corrections or anything, so please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll try to leave the materials also. I'll leave the materials in my website where you will get the link and you can watch the uh, learnings from there. And if you're following any regional material for your learning, it's well and good. So no need to worry about that one. So let's start. There will be a little bit differences in the introduction part. There might be little what I can say additions, inclusions or exclusions will be there. So please take it comfortably. The first thing that we are going to start with the Bhagavad Gita is, we'll start with the Guru Stotram. So very important to bow and to show our salutations or show our gratitude to the Guru. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It's a very famous shloka, most of us we know, but still I'll take it slowly. So you can repeat after me after every word. I'll try to leave the wordings also on the screen. It will be helpful for you. Om Gurur. It's a Gurur. It's not a Guru. Gurur Brahma. Gurur Vishnu. Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. We'll go with the next one. Om Akhanda. When you say Kha, Kha needs to be stressed. Akhanda Mandala Karam Vyaptam Yena Chara चरं तत् पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Om. This is also very famous one. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Here I can exclude the Shanti. I can take it at the end because I am not ending the shloka yet. Fine. So remove the Shanti. We'll go with the next one. The next one also very famous one. You know that. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Kara Vavahai Tejasvina Vadhi. De-stress. Tamastu Mavid Vishava Hayye. Again, I don't take Shanti. I have one more shloka. Om Purna Mada. When you say Purna, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Purna. Purna Mada Purna Mida. First is a Mada, next is a Mida. Purnat Purna Mudachyate Purnasya Purna Madaya Purna Mevava Shishyate. When you say Shishyate, she is a simple one like a Shiva and Shya is like a shut the door. Shishyate. So now we'll end it. We'll say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So basically it's a combination of a Guru mantra and the Shanti mantra. I'll repeat once again. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So here we stop the first lesson of our Bhagavad Gita. I'll meet you all tomorrow in the next series. Thank you so much. Namaste.